I just got out of a meeting with several of the industry CTOs on 5G, and that was a very heavy topic. Of course, the three building blocks that are going to be the foundation to 5G is NFV, Network Function Virtualization, SDN, Software Defined Networks, and SON, which is self-optimizing networks. Each of these require a high level of complexity in order for them to work properly. One of the other issues is the interoperability of, say, NFV. Network function virtualization means something different to Google and to Amazon and to AT&T and to Facebook. Those different network function virtualization and SDNs are completely different, require different interoperability parameters. And so when you get into different industry sectors, it becomes a very, very complex problem for the OEMs.
And so, aside from 5G, what are some other future topics that you will be discussing with the council?
Well, like I said, we're going to identify the low-hanging fruit to attempt to lower the cost of deployment of small cell and DAS. So that's my main focus while I'm going there.
Talk a little bit about 5G. So what are you seeing in 5G? What are the big things that stand out to you?
Well, the 5G, the actual specifications for the waveform and such are not going to be even issued until 2020. And the standards, as they're being developed, it's going to be delayed, I think. There will be advanced issues of some of the 5G elements. So it'll be a 4.5, 4.75, 4.8 releases. And so 5G overall is going to be beyond 2020. But when it comes, it's going to be a game changer. We haven't even settled yet on the waveform that we're going to use. And in addition, right now in the 5G, 3GPP committees, they're debating the backward compatibility specifications. Do we have to go and be compatible all the way with 2G, or just with 3G, or just 4G? If you're backward compatible to any of the previous generations, it hinders your ability to really have super functionality in that particular technology.
So what do you see for 2018 that in Korea they're supposed to try to roll out 5G? What do you see that being?
It's going to be some advanced features and functions. It's not going to be totally 5G. 5G is a marketing term, and so the true 5G, according to the ITU and 3GPP, is the specifications for the waveform isn't even supposed to be deployed or released until 2020. So 5G, as it's being used today, is a marketing term.
Anything else you want to say?
Well, the 5G is good. I mean, they're baby steps toward a super system. And it's going to, just like every generational change, we're going to have to learn how to ride this horse, because there are no technicians that know the parameters yet. What happens when you put load on the system? Because when you put a load on the system, everything breaks, usually. So we're going to have to learn how to ride this horse, and when it fails, how to pick it up and get it back on its feet quickly and properly. And so this is a brand new deal. We're going to need a lot new talent, new expertise. So quite an interesting generational change.